What is up guys, welcome back to another fresh new video. I bought a new sketchbook a few days ago and I made a character, you can see here, but today I'm going to be making a drawing using only oil pastel. So let's get started. So after searching for almost 1 hour straight, I found a crazy idea. So I hope it will turn out great. So yeah, stay till the end of the video to see the drawing.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So thank you for staying till the end of the video, and if you really enjoyed this video then make sure to hit the like, and if you're new then subscribe. So enjoy the review, bye.
Wake up with you in the morning.